right, y'all. We're here to talk about the song by Shaboozey, Tipsy. I think it's called like In the Bar or something like that. Anyway, so disclaimer, I don't drink. I'm just showing y'all the song. Anyway, the chords. First of all, let's start. We're going to end up doing this in capo 2. But for now, I'm going to take this capo off. And we're actually going to start with it being in the key of E minor, okay, just for demonstration purposes. And I'm actually just showing you where these chords are, all right? So we're going to play an E minor. Actually, let's just start off by giving you these. Well, yeah. E minor, G major, C major, G major again. Then we end up playing this chord, okay, which is a D major over F sharp. But another way to play this is actually just doing this, okay? Here in the 2nd fret, E string, and then A and D string are open. A and D strings are open. And then on the G string, 2nd fret. If you want, you can play on the B string, 3rd fret. Okay, those are the chords. Now, for the sake of just sharing the technique that I'm using, obviously I'm using my thumb. I'm using the side of my thumb right here, okay? And I'm grazing the side of it like this, okay? Okay, I'm not using the tip. That's not what I'm doing. Now in the song, it seems as though they're only playing the top, well, the bottom strings, okay? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Doesn't seem like they're really playing the high strings, so I'm actually muting that this way by just resting my index finger on that string, and I'm just doing this. Okay, that way it doesn't ring out. I'm not mad at it, but it still goes. Okay, but I'm just, in case I don't want it to ring out, I'm just holding it. Then basically during the verse, it kind of helps you to differentiate the verse from the chorus, okay? So like this. Chorus. So it's just a way to brighten up the chords. And then you let go of the index finger and just play all the strings. All right, so now let me actually show you the charts. So here they are, right here. Okay, and maybe I can zoom in just a little bit so that you can see. Move me out of the way. All right. Let me just do this real quick. Just get me out of the way just a little bit. Okay. So yeah. So now you can see the actual, where the frets are and everything. Well, where the fingering positions are. Okay, there's the E minor. All right, there's the G major. Here's the C major. Here's the G major again. And here is that other chord that I was mentioning, the D major, which you can see that right here, D major, right here, over F sharp. And honestly, you can, for that chord, you can just play these bottom 4 strings, okay? Because I don't really hear these top ones, and I'm not really playing them. But I mean, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's the whole song. You can just loop that. Now, here's the last part though. Here is the last part, because this part is very important. Now, the song is not in E minor. It's in F sharp minor. So, capo 2, capo 2nd fret. We're going to do the same thing. All right. So it's no longer in E minor. It is in F sharp minor. Okay. So this is the key that the song is actually in. I just showed you it without the capo so that you could see it. All right. And keep this in mind too. I can play this song with, we're not going to use the capo as an excuse. Okay. We can still. Like, we can play it in F sharp minor without a capo. All right. It's just the way that you would want to play the actual, chords and everything. It is a little more comfortable. So capo 2, just, you're doing the same thing. 2nd fret from the capo as far as your minor chord on the A and D string, and all the rest of the shapes. Okay, you're just keeping in mind that you have a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, if you take the capo off and you want to play this in the original key, then you will have to bar at the 2nd fret, okay? Like this without the capo. That's F sharp minor, and open A, and open D, open A again. And then we're playing this, instead of that D major, we're playing the E major over A flat. In other words, we're going to play it from here, and it looks like this. All right. So everybody in the club getting tipsy. That water is good. I don't get tipsy. I just think it's a catchy song with some catchy chords. Please drink responsibly. I don't recommend drinking at all. Just to be clear, I don't recommend drinking at all. It's not my thing. But I respect people's decisions. But I do encourage people to not drink at all. You don't need one bit of it, Get your wine on. Get your wine on. Here and there, It is good for your stomach and stuff, but don't pursue getting tipsy. I don't recommend that. All right. So I'm just putting that out there. That's my disclaimer. But these are the chords. I hope that was helpful. And like I said, super catchy song, catchy chords, and 4 chords. They repeat the whole time. And that's pretty much it. I don't have anything to really share, but I do appreciate your support. If you feel so led, just go tell one person about this channel. Just one. Everybody who watches this, go tell one other person, hey, check this guy out. All right. So yeah, I appreciate your support. All right. Peace.